Hi friends, if TV supports screen mirroring, we need to open mirroring app or miracast app. If TV supports Google Chromecast, we need to enable Google Chromecast on TV. This TV supports screen mirroring, so let me open mirroring app. So this is a mirroring app. Let me open it. Then we need to keep the screen open. Please don't close it. Then in mobile phone, open settings, tap on the settings app icon. Then select connection and sharing. Then select screencast. Then tap on screencast and enable it. Now it's searching for available devices. It's showing Android TV and TV stick. Android TV has Google Chromecast. TV stick has miracast. So let me select TV stick. So now it's connecting. Please wait. Okay, done. It's connected. So if you want to switch display to full screen, you can enable screen rotation on mobile phone. Then just rotate the phone, so that way we can switch display to full screen. So if you want to disconnect, you can again go to settings. So let me go to settings, then tap on this close icon here. So now it's disconnecting. Please wait. Okay, done. So please try it.